Configuring password requirements for iTunes and App Store in-app purchases on your iPhone 16 helps secure your account and prevent unauthorized transactions. Here's how to access and manage this setting on the new iOS smartphone. To get started, go to the home screen and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on screen time. To continue, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now, select iTunes and App Store purchases to proceed. Under the required password section, you can set it to either always require or don't require. All you have to do is tap to mark your selection. Choosing always require is recommended for better security, especially if others have access to your device. But if you don't think this is necessary, then you can just select don't require. This setting can be changed at any time when needed by following the same steps to get back to the iTunes and App Store purchases menu in screen time. And that's how you set password requirements for iTunes and App Store in-app purchases on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful smartphone tutorials and troubleshooting guides.